again everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your teacher Bunny, and for today's video we are going to discuss about the use of do, does, and did. First thing, we are going to compare the use of do and does. So both do and does, we are going to use this in present tense. Present tense meaning the action is being done right now. That is in the present tense. So let us first have do. Do is used for plural nouns, plural pronouns. Plural pronouns are, for example, they, we, I, and you. I and you is always considered plural pronouns. It is an exemption to the rule. Although I am alone, you are alone, we are going to use them as plural pronouns. Okay, let us use them in asking sentences. So let us have I. Do I go to school early? It can be yes, it can be no. You also. Do you go to school early? Do they go to school early? Do we go to school early? One technique is if you can add the word right now. Right now in your sentence, that is in the present tense, you are going to use do or does. In asking sentences, we say, does she love to cook? Or if we are referring to a cat, we say, does it meow loudly? Or if we are referring to a dog, we say, does it bark loudly? And then if we say noun, if we are going to use noun, we say, does the teacher speak loudly? We have did. Did is used for past tense. So we say, did you eat your breakfast this morning? The time expression this morning is finished. Therefore, we are going to use did. Did they clean the classroom well yesterday afternoon? It can be yes, it can be no. So that is the use of did. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to post a new lesson. God bless everyone. See you on my next video. Bye!